There are several powerful NLP libraries available in Python that provide tools and functionalities for working with text data. Some of the most popular Python NLP libraries include NLTK, or Natural Language Toolkit, which is the foundational library for text processing, including tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, and stop word removal. Spacy, like NLTK, has similar functionality for text processing, but unlike NLTK, Spacy is faster, especially for large data sets because it is optimized for performance. Spacy is also easier to use, while NLTK has a steeper learning curve. GenSim primarily focuses on topic modeling, document similarity, and other high-level NLP tasks. While it has some text pre-processing utilities, they are not as extensive as Spacy or NLTK. TextBlob leans more towards core NLP functionalities like those found in Spacy or NLTK. Compared to Spacy and NLTK, TextBlob offers a good balance of core functionalities without being as comprehensive. It is simple to use and perfect for beginners. This chart shows the comparison between Spacy, NLTK, GenSim, and TextBlob. If your project involves tasks that benefit from deep learning's power, here are some popular deep learning libraries used for NLP, and they include TensorFlow, which is a comprehensive framework that supports transformers, and PyTorch, which is easier to use than TensorFlow, and MXNet and JAX, which have a moderate learning curve, and then Keras, which is the easiest to use.